There's a 15th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1, number 15. You're given an equation. It's asking for what value of x does the value of y reach its minimum. And so you could do your negative b over 2a, but also what you could do, even if you forget that, plug it into Desmos, but you got to zoom out till it looks like a parabola, and you can see the minimum. Scroll over it. You can see the x part of the minimum is 7. Write it. Move on to the next question. To see the full-length video, check us out on YouTube. Go to the playlist at Ivy Masters Learning Center, and the shorter videos are just below these longer videos in Test 3 Module 1. Have a great day.